In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Epic Games on Steam. This is a straightforward process, and in just about 5 minutes you'll have your Epic Games library integrated with your Steam account, making all your favorite games easily accessible in one place. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to open your Steam app. Ensure that it's fully updated, so you have the latest features and security updates at your fingertips. Once open, you'll see the familiar interface where you can access your library, the store, and other features Steam offers. Next, you'll want to log into your Steam account. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the login button on the top section of the app. This will prompt you to enter your account name and password. Take a moment to ensure your login credentials are correct to avoid any delay or frustration. Once you've entered your details, click on the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here you have access to a range of options, but for this tutorial we need to focus on the Games menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down you're going to see various options, but today we're interested in adding non-Steam games to your library. To do this, move your cursor to the option that says add a non-Steam game to my library and click on it. This feature allows you to manage all your games in one convenient location. Once you've clicked on add a non-Steam game to my library, a new window will pop up listing various programs installed on your computer that you can add to Steam. What you're looking for here are your Epic Games. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the games you wish to add. If you have many programs, you might find it helpful to sort through them systematically. After finding your desired Epic Games titles in the list, select them by checking the box next to each game. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look for the button at the bottom of the window that says Add Selected Programs and click on it. By doing this, you're effectively telling Steam that these are the games you'd like to manage through the platform. And there you go, with these steps completed you've successfully added Epic Games to your Steam library. Now you can launch and play them directly from Steam, enjoying a seamless gaming experience with all your games easily accessible. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.